Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making red velvet cookies. We're going to start by pouring in 75 grams of melted butter. Now we're going to add in 115 grams of caster sugar and 150 grams of brown sugar. Whisk this mixture until the sugar and butter become best friends. Now we're going to add in 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and red food coloring. With the food coloring, start with a little, then add more if needed. To the same bowl, sift in 170 grams of plain flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 10 grams of cocoa powder. With a spatula, fold in the dry ingredients, making sure you don't overmix. Once they're combined, add in 150 grams of chocolate chunks. You can use any type you like. When that's mixed in, cover the bowl and chill for 30 minutes. Now, in a lined and greased baking pan, create a round ball of cookie. Each cookie is roughly 2 tablespoons each. Make sure you leave enough space between each cookie so they can spread. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. These cookies are just divine, crispy on the outside and soft inside. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share.